Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you something from our brand new books. So remember, in this section behind me here, we have a section called New Books. And so anytime I get new books, that's where I put them first. So if you're one of those people that you want to check out all of the new books, you might look there. And then also once I've done a book talk, then they go up there as well. So if you're looking for something that I've mentioned in one of our book talks, then they will probably be up there. So this one is called Red Fox Road. So in this one, Francie and her parents are going on a spring road trip. They're leaving Canada and driving to hike in the Grand Canyon. Well, then they decide to take a shortcut, and it leads them down this old logging road, and then ultimately leads them to disaster. So they hit a giant rock, and it ends up puncturing their oil pan, and they leak oil out everywhere, and now they're stuck in the middle of nowhere. And so Francie can't help but be a little bit excited. She's always wondered if she would be able to survive and what she would do if she was stranded somewhere. And now, here they are. So will her survival techniques of building fires and gathering dandelion leaves and fir needles for making tea, will that be enough? Will they be able to survive? Will they ever make it to the Grand Canyon? And what about when those long hours start to stretch into long days? To find out, read Red Fox Road. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.